Inbound from your right-hand side, ladies and gentlemen, is the appropriate strains of Chariots of Fire. It's the first one of our airborne tankers. I believe this one is from the Channel Islands Air National Guard, where these aircraft have been modified specifically to use the palletized firefighting system called MAVS. Pallets are slid right into the aircraft, and they in fact are laden with water. And as you can see, look at the angle of attack of the aircraft. It is very heavily laden right now. Let's see what they got for us. The angle of attack as the water is offloaded is weighing at about 18,000 pounds of water just released there over a period of about 8. These are straight water drops. When you actually watch the actual drops that take place over the fire, it's a green colored drop that comes out from underneath the aircraft. That's because they mix together fertilizer and seed with the fire retardant. That means at the same time as they are dousing the forest fire below them, they're also germinating the area to promote new growth. Picture there as our firebomber goes by with the firebomb doors still closed up tight. Next time you see him, as you can see, they call themselves America's 911 Forest Firefighting Force. Try saying that 5 times quickly. From your left-hand side, ladies and gentlemen, have your cameras ready once again. As inbound from your left-hand side, pilot in command, Captain Kevin Hoff, DC-10, fire drop. Sight to firefighters on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. Time when the DC-10 was manufactured, these were the largest engines ever produced for a commercial airliner, subsequently being replaced by those on the 777, which are now the largest engines manufactured. Looks like he's lining up for a beeline right here on the front line of the audience. Now the featured song from Butch Cassidy and Sundance Kid, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head.